Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. All right, I am playing a game called Space Shooter on PipeFlare, and it is a free-to-play game where you can get free crypto. Now, that orange thing, that's a token, and that gives you your ranking to the right. I am currently ranked, I have 122 tokens. But you also get free flare, which are the purple. And if I get one, I'll show you. Those are a power up, the thing I just grabbed. And so you can play a little bit or all day. It don't matter. They got different games. It's a amateur, online amateur game developing platform. And they just put their token listed on the exchanges, 3-4 months ago, maybe. And it's, of course, it came out at 0.002 and dropped at 0.0006, and which makes me happy because I'm getting all these free flare tokens, which they give you one or two a day for free on a free drop, Faucet drop, and they also give you free Matic and free Zeke once a day on another page. And it's just a fun site. You can try out the games. This is my favorite. They got like 7 or 8 games right now that you can play. And the purple ones are the flare. But let's go over to here. Let me pause it and let's go over to I'll show you the tokenomics here on it. Not very good. Market cap is 2 million. Circulating supply is 4 billion. They don't have any burning in place yet. 24-hour trading was only 1,000. And here's the max. Yeah, it came out in October. It's shot. Now the platform's been open for a year, but the token just got listed. So I've been able to collect 14,000 free tokens, right? And everybody knows who's been around crypto for a while that if you can get in with it at 3 zeros or more, that you're hoping it goes up to $1. I just upgrade it to the laser upgrade, and I'm getting right now tokens that will help me win die, however you say it, over there on the right hand side. So, now I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. But I'm always looking for free or very little projects that I have to invest any of my money in, simply for the fact I don't have any to invest like the big guys do. So this is something you can do to acquire free flare tokens, and if it does ever take off, and I think it will, otherwise I wouldn't be wasting my time, and I am promoting this for the affiliate marketing, if you or their affiliate program, if you sign up, I get like some Zeke and stuff like that, but it doesn't come out of your pocket. It comes out of theirs. So no matter who you sign up under, it's just be helping me if you do. The link's below. Please subscribe and like. But the time of day seems to affect how much flare you get too, because usually I've gotten flare by now. And for some reason, I'm not getting any. But it pops up just like the tokens do, and it's purple. We'll get one here while I'm talking. But I'll come and I'll play for 10, 15 minutes. I probably play a half an hour a day, 15 minutes in the morning, 15 in the evening. And but what I'm doing is I'm accumulating the free flare token is what I'm trying to do here, because I come check the site out. You'll see what I mean. It seems like for the 8 months that I've been with them, I got to get over there and grab that they have only gotten better, and getting it on the exchange was a big plus, because now you got a chance to get noticed, and the games are fun and they are free. So I'm trying to avoid all these shots coming at me and get things. I can use a heart to keep going. I'm out of hearts though. Every 10 minutes you get a free heart. If you want to watch a commercial, you can keep playing right away after a 10-second commercial. But come on, flares, where are you hiding at? But if you look in the middle there, I got 26 flare or 26 tokens, which goes to my total for the free die at the end of every 6 days. They reset. I swear this gives you free flare tokens. I know it doesn't seem like it right now. There's times when I'm playing it where every other token is a flare token. I've gotten up here in the left corner, the purple number. That's how many I've gotten in the last few days. And then I just add it to my total. And they have a staking program. So you can you can take it out and transfer it to your wallet, or you can keep it in here and stake at 5%. And they got higher tiers if you're a higher member. And but it doesn't cost anything to stake for the 5% tier. So I'm also earning 5% on my flare as I'm waiting for it to hopefully one day go to $1 and having fun doing it. I'm all about making money online, and this is playing games now is possible. There you can actually make some money. So there's one. There we go. We got the flare. The reservoir is busted open here, so now I should start getting flare. There's another one. See how that works? Okay, so I just got 2 flare just for playing a game and having fun, and that's free crypto. Now, you could have said this about Doge. You could have said this about Shiba. You could have said this about even Bitcoin at one point in its history, that they were giving the stuff away for free, basically, and you never know what's going to be the next. This doesn't have to be the next Bitcoin. It just has to get to $1. If okay, we're going to watch a commercial now. If or maybe not. Maybe not. It's going to start over. Uh, if you've been around Bitcoin at any time, you see that like Doge for the longest time was at 4 zeros, and and then all of a sudden, it's at 15 cents. And okay, watch an ad. That's what I was supposed to push. So this is their ad. They're playing. It's going to go on for 7 seconds, and you just keep playing, accumulating flare coins and tokens. And so I got my use the heart. Hold on, or maybe it's not going to let me play now. Oh, play. There we go. And I'm losing my train of thought here. Multitasking like this is kind of hard. So anyway, if you like what you see, the link's down below. If you join under my link, it helps me out. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, I was making money online. So anyway, this is part of my money making division is game playing. The other one, if you've seen my video, is Splinterland. And Splinterland is an online card game like Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon or something. But as well as I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing all the different type of ways that learning how to make money. So this is one of them, and it's only going to get better. The gaming, the money making gamification, or whatever you want to call it, is here. The NFTs makes that possible. There's people making a lot of money playing these games. Not this one, maybe, not yet. This one might be one of those that takes, but get them while they're giving them out for free, because they're not going to do that forever. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to play for a few more minutes here, and hopefully I get some more. I'm almost up to. I'm going to get to 300 at least, and then I got to go do something else. But that is the best power up. I call it the laser cannon. I don't know what the official name of it is. But it is a fun game. So yeah, if you get a chance, subscribe and like. I got other videos. Check out Splinterland. videos that I'm making. I've got invested in it about $200 of my own money, but I've been able to increase the value of it up to about 550, 600, depending on what the prices are at. And everything dropped in the last couple of weeks as far as crypto and thing goes. So uh, as things go back up, that's even more valuable. My goal is to make it worth $10,000 in the next year. So you can follow along and see if I'm able to do that. And as as my collection gets bigger on the card game Splinterlands, of course the value goes up, and I'm renting out the cards I'm not using, and using that money to buy more cards, which in turn makes the card collection bigger. And if you pick the right cards, they can really go up in value. Some of those cards are worth $30,000 right now, and they're all NFTs. Every card you get is an NFT. So that's called Splinterlands. And then I do crypto NFTs. I missed that. And then I do affiliate marketing. I've 2 years ago I didn't know how to even copy and paste, and now I'm making money online. It's paying the bills right now, but it's not enough to where I'm not to the point where I'm at yet where it's my it's going to allow me to. There's one right there. That was a Flare token. The purple ones are Flare. Uh, to financially support myself just with online, but I'm getting closer every day. And basically, what I'm videoing is the process on how I'm doing that. And you can copy it, you can have nothing to do with it, or you could do it and take it to the next level. And if you do, please let me know. Please comment. I would love to hear if I'm doing something wrong. But anyway, that's it. So if you like it, go down, sign up, try it out yourself, and start making start accumulating some free Flare tokens. And then if you want, stake them. So thank you for watching.